How are you?
I'm good and have a nice day. Thank you for asking me and saying to me thank you. Actually, I'm feeling nervous. Why? I don't know.
No, no. Don't feel nervous. I am also like you. We both are
Okay,
beginner. We are here to learn something new. So don't feel nervous or hesitant.
okay.
Yes. So as we are meeting for the first time, so would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course, it's my pleasure and thank you for asking to me about myself. So my name is Anamika Bin. I am 21 years old and I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation. Currently, I am teaching in a private school and running a YouTube channel. If you talk about my hobbies, so I like to write and I like to plant plants. That's all about myself.
Wow, you are wearing so many hats. You are focusing on your skill, you are teaching, and you are having a YouTube channel. So yes, you are wearing so many hats. That's nice to hear about you. So may I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Why not?
Yes. So my name is Beena Negi. I hail from a beautiful state, Uttarakhand. I have completed my post graduation, and my hobbies are reading and cooking. And nowadays, I'm enjoying listening and watching more and more content in English and talking with different people. Apart from that, I love dancing too, but I'm not that much good at dancing. So in future, if I'll get a chance to learn a particular form of dance, so I would love to learn that too. So that's a bit about me. Thank you.
Here, glad that you introduced. Very nice, and you are learning something new. Really, it is very good that many people are thinking that they are thinking that we are elder and we are going to. I can see why I am feeling nervous. I don't know because of
Feel,
nervous. I am not speaking well.
don't feel
Okay,
so. You are speaking well. Seriously, you are speaking well.
okay. Actually, many people are thinking that we should not. Actually, if I talk about my mama, so my mama is also want to learn many things, but she's saying that now I don't want to learn, and because my age have completed, so I don't want. So I said to my mama, if you want to learn anything, so you should, because there is no any matter of age, so you can learn,
Right, right.
and you are doing
Say
fantastic.
your mama
It is,
that raho umar less. Age is just a number.
yeah.
Yes, we can learn anything in any at any age. As on YouTube nowadays, we are watching so many peoples. They are from in their 60s or in their 65 and still they are learning this language. So yes, age is just a number and learning has no specific age.
You are right that nowadays many children they are very young and they are speaking so well. If you talk
Right,
about, so in there is I think we don't know about tense. We had no any idea in their age because they are just 16 and 17. And if you if talk about myself, so I live in village and I never thought that in future I will speak English, and I had no
right,
any interest about this language. But earlier I was teaching in a private school, so I thought that I should leave that school because that school was not good. So I leave that school and
okay,
I go in a CBSC school. That was very well, CBSC and UP board both are different. CBSC there
right.
is everything in English, so they take my interview, and then after taking my interview they saying to me that you have a knowledge, you have a many knowledge about every field, but you haven't knowledge in English. So they refused me. So
Okay.
that day I decided that I will not go anywhere for applying school for getting other job. So I thought that first I will improve my English and then I will go other place.
Wow, that's nice. I think English is very important these days. Because
Yeah,
every
these days.
yes,
Yeah,
As if we are not from a English medium background and English is not our native language, so it's very difficult for us to learn this language, but it's very crucial to learn this language, I can say. Yes, in
Like,
every
but
field.
while learning, it is becoming like we are thinking that this is tough. But after learning this language, we are thinking, oh my God, that was piece of cake, and we are
Right,
thinking, about it. Yeah.
right,
Because when we are learning anything, if I want to ride cycle, so
hmm,
first I will try to ride, but I will think that I should give up because I can't ride cycle. So while when I will continue my journey, and then when I will able to ride cycle, then I will think that, oh my God, that was very easy.
right,
I was giving up.
right. I think earlier means earlier I also had a session with a learner and we were talking about this thing only, that taking the first step is difficult. If we have took the first step, if we had took the first step, after that the journey is easy. But taking that first step is difficult. At that step, we face difficulty, we feel nervous, we feel scared that what will happen if we'll make mistake or if someone will judge us on our mistake. But after that, the journey is easy, I can say.
Actually, we can give an example because of our collaboration. Because first time I'm feeling hesitation and nervous too. Because I'm very talkative girl, you can say. But why I don't know. Sometime I feel nervous, but
It happens with everyone, I can say. Yes.
after talking with you, now I'm feeling better at this time. I can talk with you.
Yes, I think you shouldn't feel anything because we both are in the same boat. We both are learning this
So,
language. Yes.
so you are running a YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel name?
It's almost fluent.
It's
It's
almost fluent.
fluent. It's describing my situation now that I'm not fluent. Yes, I am almost fluent. Means I'm a beginner and just learning this language. Want to be fluent in future. Actually, when I created my YouTube channel, I asked ChatGPT to suggest me some name, and he suggested me this name, almost fluent. And I felt that yes, it's nice, and this name is suggest describing my situation right now. So yes, I kept this
Yeah,
name.
now you are beginner, but you will do hard work and you will learn this language. So according to me, this is easy language and this is not tough. But what is the most important thing that we are living in a village and we are living other place, so everyone are speaking in a native language. So that's why we
Right,
are thinking that is tough. That is Herculean task for us. But if here is environment, if like I go in America, so I will go in America, so there is only they most of people they are speaking English. So I
right,
can speak English without any hesitation and I can learn very soon. But
right,
here is no any environment, so that's the reason we are feeling some hesitation and many things we face many problem while speaking. If you talk about my, so when I shoot my video, sometime I go in my field, so my friends they are cutting grass and many ladies they are laughing at me, but I don't focus on them. I always try to focus on my video, that
okay,
how I can make it in a different way. So I always think about it,
okay.
and I never think that the person who is laughing at me, I always try to ignore them.
Right, that's nice. I think we shouldn't think about others because it's our life. And as we know, we are not doing anything wrong. So we should do that thing without thinking about others.
Yeah, amazing. You are saying right that we are not doing wrong. So
Right,
you can say this is the my confidence that if anyone will judge me, so I can say proudly that I am not doing anything wrong. I am
right,
providing education and I am doing well than
right.
others.
Yes, we are improving ourselves. And yes,
Yeah.
initially everyone makes mistake.
Yeah, I think mistakes, we are human and we can do mistake. Because of mistakes we can learn many things. If you think
Right.
that I am perfect, so perfection is not good. Because it will take time, and I can say the whole life we will learn.
Right.
We are learning,
Right. 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 I
so we can
also,
do.
yes, I also watched so many videos on YouTube. There are advanced speakers. They are very fluent in this language. Still, they are making some grammatical mistakes.
Yeah,
Sometimes they say you does instead of you do. So
yeah,
I think it's obvious to make mistake. It's a long lasting process. I can say it's a never ending process
yeah.
to learn this
Actually,
language.
I think you have heard about the English with Dehati ma'am, and
Yes,
English with Jadoo, and English with Meenu ma'am. I have a talk with them, and they have
okay,
uploaded my video on their channel. But I have learned many things from them, and I have seen many videos that they are doing mistakes. But I know very well, while speaking we are doing also mistake, but we don't know. So mistakes is, I can say, one type of example for us that we can learn, because
right.
have you, yeah,
It's a
have you
part
seen
of learning. Right.
yeah,
Mistake is a part of learning. As we are human being, we are not God. So yes,
yeah.
it's obvious to have make mistake.
I think God have already done many mistakes, but we are human, so we can do mistakes. We are not doing knowingly,
Yeah.
we are learning,
Right.
so mistakes will happen.
Right. At least we are trying and we took that initiative to do something different. That is
Yes.
important. Yes. Because earlier we used to procrastinate on that thing too, that we shouldn't do this thing or we shouldn't take this first step. So we are doing better than before. So it's good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
And
So,
really very happy that seeing you that you are learning something different. And
right.
if I talk about my village, so no one understand that what I'm saying.
Same here. Actually, I'm also from a village. Nowadays, I'm
Yeah,
not at my hometown, but still, I'm also from a village. And yes, no one speaks in English there. No one understands English language there. If we will talk in front of anybody in English, so they say that she is just showing off and she is just showing her knowledge and she's overreacting like that.
they
So
are
yes,
saying many things. I have a face already, but I never focus on them, because I know very well that many people are thinking, but we are what we are doing. We are trying to improve ourselves.
right.
One time I have a remember that I was making video on my roof, and one uncle was going
Okay.
with his bike, and he was saying to my sister that your sister is crazy.
Oh,
I was talking, I was I was making video, and he said to my sister, she's crazy. And after I make video, then I thought that I will edit in night time. Then I come down, and then my sister called me, come here. So I went there, and she said to me, he was saying to you like this. I said, yeah, I am crazy.
yes.
What you
If this
can
is
do?
craziness, then she must be crazy too. Yes.
Yeah, saying, but I don't take it serious, because I know that I'm doing different than
Right.
others. And I'm trying to improve myself. I'm not shopping off to others. So
Right.
that's
Right. Yes. If we are doing something different, it's obvious that people will make some thoughts or make some things like that. They will say something or other because
okay.
they are
So
not
may,
habitual of it.
yeah. So may I know that how old are you?
I'm 26 years old. Yes.
6.
I
Oh,
think we
nice.
shouldn't say this thing here as
No, actually,
yes,
I thought that you are looking very young, so I thought that I should ask.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Actually, I'm just joking, as we all know that we shouldn't ask a girl about her age or about her weight because of that
no,
only. Yes, yes,
suddenly it come my mind, so I ask. Actually, I'm very open. You can say open-minded person.
yes,
So
yes,
I think that what they are thinking. So whatever it's come in my mind, I ask.
yes. I think it's good. Yes.
Yeah. But you
Okay.
are not looking like 26.
Okay. So,
Okay, come on, our point.
yes. So, what kind of content you upload on your YouTube channel?
I upload related to English language, that how you can improve your English, and how you can uh, while speaking, how you are feeling, like how you can build your confidence while speaking. I upload many types of video, but I feel comfortable alone sometimes,
Okay.
because you can say I'm
Solo
introvert person.
videos.
Yeah, solo video I like. And
Okay.
I'm thinking that nowadays I'm thinking to buy a tripod, and then I will upload, right? I will speak Hindi, English in mixed language. I want to make video, because many people are commenting on my video that sister, we are unable to understand English. So
Okay.
can you make a video in Hindi? So I have a make already video in Hindi and English, both in both language. But they are
Right.
saying to me, so I want to do something for them,
Right. Yes.
because
In between, you can use Hindi too. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Yes. For their understanding. So,
Actually,
don't you?
I
Yes. Yes.
I
Go
open
on.
my YouTube channel. Why I start running a YouTube channel, so that I can improve my English, and so that I can meet different type of people, and I can learn from them. So that's the reason I start my YouTube channel. And I am very sharing person, and as you know that I am teaching in a school, so you can say I like to share my all the thing that I have realized in my life, that things I have experienced in my life. So I want to share all the thing to my audience.
Right. I think it's a great platform to share things. Yes. And I think having a YouTube channel, it makes us consistent on our this journey too. Because
Yeah,
my when I started my YouTube channel, my motive was on only that I will be consistent. I will consistently upload videos on YouTube so that I will be consistent on my English speaking journey. And yes, if I'll post some videos of mine, so I can, by watching those videos, I can rectify my mistakes where I'm going wrong or where I'm lacking. So because of that only, I also started my YouTube channel.
yeah,
Yes.
this is amazing. When I start my YouTube channel, I was facing many types of problem, like I was feeling shy, and I'm very shy type girl. So I was feeling shy, and I was thinking that how I will upload, how I will talk front of camera. But now I'm feeling comfortable. But earlier it was not possible for me. Earlier it
Right.
was very tough. It was Herculean task for me, but at this time it is piece of cake for me.
Wow. I think yes, it happens with everyone. Earlier, I also used to feel hesitant or nervous whenever I used to make eye contact with myself on camera only.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
seriously, I used to feel hesitant while I used to have eye contact with myself while recording myself, or whenever I used to do mirror practice. I used to face difficulty while making eye contact with myself. But yes, after some practice or after making some efforts, now I can say that yes, I'm quite comfortable now in that thing.
I think not quite. I think very comfortable at this time. And yeah, you know very well that what is the starting time. That was very tough time, according to
Right,
me. But at this we can face camera without any hesitation. If
right,
anyone will ask to us, so we can reply to them without any fear, without stucking.
right. As you told me that you like solo videos, I can say that I like conversational videos. Okay,
You
so
like conversation with?
yes, yes. And I feel that conversational videos are making conversational videos are quite easy. Because on solo videos, all the burden is on you. You are the only one who has to speak each and everything, who have to hold the attention of others. So for me, conversational videos are much easier than solo videos, making solo videos, I can say.
Yeah, you are right. Actually, I also like conversation video, but I am why I'm feeling shyness in conversation video. But in solo video, I feel comfortable. But I'm very talkative person, but I'm not talking with everyone like with full enjoyment. But
Okay,
when I talk with any people, that person I like much, and otherwise I learn from them, so I like to talk with them as much as I want.
same
Otherwise,
here.
I don't get my time. And two messages come in my cell phone, and they mail me for a conversation. So
Okay.
first I saw your message, so I thought that I will reply more in time, and
Okay.
then I slept because of school. I feel much tired, and I teach in coaching, so whole
Hmm.
day it is my work. Whole day I do work, so that's the
Right.
reason I always busy. So I thought that today is Sunday, and it is good time that two person is mailing me. So I thought that I should
Right,
attend.
right, right. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can learn many things, and I'm also learning many things from you.
Same here. I'm also learning so many things from you. Actually, as you have told me that you are an introvert kind of person, but yes, whenever you have to talk with someone where you can gain some knowledge, so you like that. I'm also like that only. Because initially, when I used to have conversation with my friends, and in Hindi means in our native language. So I also used to feel bored, or I also used to feel like I'm wasting my time and I shouldn't talk with someone like that.
Yeah,
Or whenever I used to talk with that person for half an hour, I used to feel exhausted. That, oh, means I'm done for today. Now I can't speak with anyone now. But
you know
nowadays,
while
yes,
yeah while
nowadays,
talking with
yes, yes.
continue.
Okay, so nowadays when I'm talking with people, means to enhance my knowledge or to learn this language. So yes, I can speak as much as I can, and I love speaking. Now I can say that I'm loving speaking with people or talking with people more and more because I know now it's my motive to learn this language, to be fluent or to means to to be able to convey my thoughts. So yes, now I'm liking it.
This is a good thing that you are learning, and while learning, you are enjoying your journey. So, this is the good
Right,
things in your journey. That, many people they are taking pressure. That if
right,
anyone want to speak, they are taking pressure. Oh my God, how I will speak. One day I will speak. They are taking much type of pressure. So, according to me, if we are learning anything, if we are doing anything, so we should enjoy
right,
while our journey in our journey, so we can learn many things, and with
right,
we can enjoy our journey. And you are right that I also want to upload like conversation, but in conversation I feel uncomfortable, but I want to talk with other people, and I want to know their country's situation, many things I want to talk with them. But in future I will.
right. So till now, how many conversations you have made with strangers or with real person?
Like first my conversation was English with Jadu brother, and
Okay,
second English with Dehati ma'am, and third English with Meenu ma'am. I have attended I think four conversation, and this is fifth. We I have
okay.
attended, yeah, and this is fifth.
So for how many time you are learning this language?
Actually, I was learning this language from 2024, and
Okay,
it have been 1 years complete.
Okay, so how did you start or how did you learn this language? As you are telling that you had only five conversations till now. This is your fifth conversation. So how did you practice earlier?
Earlier, I always, if I learn anything new word, other a new word and new idioms, like I heard cock and bull. It means jhuti mangadan kahani. So I came at my home and then I start to practice with my cell phone. I try to record my voice, and if
Okay,
I get any topic, I most of time I used to see English related video like Well Talk Institute that is very famous for debate. They are
okay,
debating each other in English, so I like much debate video, and I like to do debate with anyone in English. If yeah, so I try to follow them, and when I saw any video, and then if I saw that new word, so I stop there and then I write that spelling, and then I try to use in my daily life, and I always try to learn a different thing, and the most thing that how I practice. So sometime I used to practice with front of mirror. I talk front of mirror, and I always say that one day I will speak English, and I always cooperate to myself, and I
right,
always motivate front of mirror. It was not easy, but I say, and then I start to making video on my cell phone, and then I keep them, and then I watch again them that where I have done mistake. So I
okay,
used to do like this type of practice, and after long time ago I get a application that is Pirula, and there are many learners, so I used to talk with other people in audio call, not video call. So sometime
okay,
I face, yeah, audio call I can talk without any hesitation.
okay, okay. So yes, means you think that audio or talking on audio calls are easier than video call. But my case is quite different, I can say. That I don't feel good while talking with someone on audio calls. Yes, it's quite comfortable, but I like that somebody is I can see someone in on the screen and I can see his facial expression. If he's smiling or means making any kind of facial expression, I can see that expression. And after that, I feel quite confident or comfortable. Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Actually, I also want. Actually, I talk first time I have a talk Jadu brother. So first
Okay.
time I was feeling nervous. So he said, "This is your first conversation." I said, "Yeah, this is my first conversation with you." So he said, "Don't worry. Are you feeling nervous?" I said, "No, I'm not feeling nervous, but something little bit. I'm feeling nervous, little bit." So he
Right.
said, "Okay, don't worry. We can connect and we can talk." So then I feel confidence, and after a long time I'm talking with you, so that is the reason.
Okay. Wow, but still you are very fluent or you are speaking so well, I can say. As you are telling that you had only five conversations till now, but still you are speaking well.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
But I'm still working on this fluency that sometime I want to talk with foreigners, but in my family, my mama is not allow me for going anywhere. I want to visit I want to see my Uttar Pradesh. So
Okay.
my parents not allow me, but I want to visit. I want to talk different people. I want to see their fluency, and
Right.
I want to compare to my fluency, and then I will improve.
Right, right. As nowadays we have YouTube, we have social media. So yes, we can see lots of people here
Yeah.
virtually and we can compare ourselves with them. I think we should compare ourselves, but yes, we can if we get a chance to learn something new from others or something better from others. So yes, it's good to learn that thing.
Yeah, you are right that
Right,
nowadays, according to me, social media is born for most of students, because because of social media, we can learn many things without spending any single rupee.
right,
And if they have a mindset that how they can become a fluent in sales, so social media is enough.
right.
Many people are sharing their journey on social media, so we
Right.
can learn many things. And earlier there was nothing, so it is
Right.
one for us. And
Right.
if I talk about, I have learned many things because of social media, and I
Right.
am
I
here
think
because of
yes.
social media.
Right. I think social media has its own pros and cons. It's up to us that how we are using that thing. As nowadays, many people are learning so many bad things from social media too.
Social
And yes,
media,
as we are learning so many things from YouTube, we are
yeah.
enhancing our skills from YouTube, from social media. So it's good too. It's up to us how we are using that thing. Yes.
Yes, you are right. If anyone, if any student they want to learn something different, so YouTube is best according to
Right.
me, because
Right.
you know, in my village, my mama, my father, in if you see in my village, so there are many girls, but they have a no cell phone. But I said to my father, I want a cell phone. Please
Okay.
give me. So my father said to me, first you will have to pass your 12th, then I will
Okay.
buy a cell phone. So I passed my 12th, then my father gave me, and then I never use my cell phone for misuse. I
Okay.
always use for learn something new, and
Right.
that is the reason I am speaking well. And because of cell phone I learned many things, and
Right. Right.
I'm always thankful for social media.
Right.
I get many people, they are very good as you, and many people they are good because I talk with them and I learn from them many things. So that is pleasure for me.
Yes. Right. Right. Earlier, I used to watch YouTube only for cooking recipes or something like that. Yes,
Yeah,
at that time we didn't know that YouTube can be that much helpful for other things too. So we used to see cooking recipes and all on YouTube. But nowadays, everything is on YouTube. It's a Google Lite, we can say. We can find anything on YouTube.
yeah,
Yes, if we want to enhance our any skills like English, like computer, like other things, Excel, basic computer, means lots of things. Parlor, makeup, mehendi design, anything you can learn from YouTube, I can say. And yes, other
yeah.
things like yes, normal
Definitely,
hacks too, we can learn from YouTube without investing any single penny of ours. Yes,
absolutely right. Yeah.
right.
So actually, earlier I was wasting my time scrolling reels and other
Yes,
things.
I think it
But
happens with everyone.
sometime you can say I was habitual to watch motivational video,
Okay.
and it was effect on my mind very much. So I thought that only I watch a motivational video, and I'm
Okay.
not doing anything like motivational. If I
Right.
will go anywhere, so how I will motivate to them? I am also watching motivational story. So I thought no, I should do something different. First I tried to make a UPSC related video. There are many officers, so there are many officers, so I used to copy them, and I used to make their video. So I thought that I am copying to other. If I want to make my own brand, so I will have to quit this. So I
Okay.
thought that I should not copy to others, and I should search, I should find that what type of qualities I have. So I first second time I start blogging, so that was running well. Then I thought no, it was not for me. If anyone will see in my village, so what they will say, I was not thinking about it, but they will teasing me, and they will saying to my parents. So I thought no, this is not a good idea. Then after long time ago, I get a chance for speaking English. Then I realized no, and I want to do something different, and I am making video. Many people are watching in my village. My parents they don't know, but in my village everyone know. but they're not sharing, they are not telling to my parents your daughter is making video, because they are unable
Mm-hmm.
to get what she's saying in video. So I thought this is the get jackpot for me, that they can't do anything and they are not understanding what I'm saying, and I'm doing well. So that is pleasure. And even my students, they know, they comment and they always watch. So I said, thank you, you all are supporting to me. And soon I will complete my 1000 subscriber very soon.
Mm-hmm. So there are so many people who are very passionate about foreign accent, means about the American or the British accent. So are you also passionate about these accents? Do you also achieve that kind of fluency or that
Actually,
kind of accent?
yeah, I actually, if we want to get any accent, so take we should focus on our confidence while speaking. We can get, and I want to speak like British, if I want to say. But if I alone, so totally I want to try speak in a British accent, and I like, and American, I like both accent, but I like most British.
Okay.
I think.
But I feel that I don't want to achieve that American or British accent. I want that I should be able to speak quite slow, means like a perfect fluent speaker speaks. Like I'm taking perfect pauses in between and I'm able to convey my thoughts properly. And yes, I like Indian accent only. I do not like that British or American accent.
I like too, but sometime we can talk anything. If we talk anything, if we present our thought clearly, so everyone can understand. If we are speaking with a fluency, so most of people, they are not getting our point. So
Right,
we should think about our accent, and we should try to speak, and we should actually, most thing is confidence. If we are
right,
talking with him, so we should focus on our confidence. Sometimes we are thinking that he is a big YouTuber, and how I will talk with him. Sometimes we lost our confidence, so we should always keep our confidence while speaking. If he is a prime minister, he is anything, we should keep confidence while speaking. We should not
wow.
feel fear.
Right. Actually, there are so many YouTubers with whom I want to have a conversation, but I'm feeling quite nervous that should I mail her or him or not because they are very fluent. I think not only fluency, but they are very intellectual. They have their own thinking process and their own way of thinking. So I like that too, but I feel quite nervous because of that only.
Yeah,
Because
because
yes,
because you have set in your mind that he's a big YouTuber, so that is the reason, and you are thinking that he have a much knowledge than me, and
right.
yeah, we should keep, but we should not feel nervous front of them. When I was talking with Dihati madam, if you
Mhm.
see, English with Dihati madam, she's very famous. I was
Yes,
talking
yes.
and I was interrupting to her. She's saying, "You are naughty too." I said, "Yeah, I'm naughty." But actually, she was in village. She was also, and she
Right.
live in Uttar Pradesh in
Mhm.
Kaushambi district. So that's the reason I talk with her in confidence, and with Meenu ma'am too. I was nervous with Jadu because I
Okay.
was that was
That
my
was
first
your
connection.
first conversation.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes, yes. But yes,
and
there
today,
are so many YouTubers in line with them. I want to have conversation. Like Sunita ma'am.
yeah, yeah, Sunita ma'am.
Yes,
I heard.
she's from Uttarakhand. She is from my state. I want to
Yeah,
have a conversation with her. Yes, I will have a conversation with her, but I don't know when. And there is, yes, English with Meenu ma'am. What mean? I'm not
Meenu, yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Yes, sir. English with Meenu ma'am. Wait, I
And
think I
English
have
with
to go. I have to go. There is somebody on my room. Okay, so it was a great session with you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.